Alright, so I'm about to do a bike check. Alright, so this is my 2011 Verde Prism. By the way, I used to ride straight cables. I used to love straight cables. And then there was a bunch of hype on like no brakes at all for street riders, and I love street and dirt, so I don't know, I guess I thought I'd try to take my brakes off, and it's working alright so far, so I guess I'll keep them off until something happens that I don't like. So I'll start from the top. I got some ODI long neck grips. My buddy had them, like a bunch of my buddies had them actually, and they were all like, I was wondering what other grips to get because my Animal Edwings were wearing out, which by the way are really good grips, but they wear out easy. So I was like, what grips? And they were all like, ODI, ODI, ODI. So I got some ODIs, and I got them in black, obviously, to match my bike, because I'm gonna get some black rims. I'll get to that in a second. And then I have the Primo Sam Squat, Sam Low signature bars. They are super nice. If you haven't noticed, like the crossbar, it gets fat and then it goes in and then it gets fat again, like gets skinny towards the middle. They're really sick. And these are 8.7 rise, 29 wide. I like big bars. And stock stem, stock headset, stock forks. I don't know why that's on there. I did not put that on there, I promise. Actually, as a matter of fact, I'll take it off. Oosh. I don't know, I'll do it in a second. My front tire is a Demolition Momentum 2.35. Oops. It's a super nice tire. I like it a lot. It doesn't look fat when you get it, but the more you look at it, the more you think the more it looks fatter. So it's really nice. It's the lightest non-folding tire on Dan's, so it's really sick. And what else? Alright, yeah, I ride my pegs from the left side. Well, be on the left side like that. And on the front, I'm rocking the G Sport ratchet hub guard, I think it is, with all the zip ties, which was a pain. So, but it really does work. It's the best hub guard for like protecting your spokes and everything. Let's see what else. The rim, yeah, stock rim, stock hub. My front hub is unsealed. I got an unsealed new hub because my other one, it went out on me, and I had to go to the bike shop, and they gave me another hub because pretty sure Verde have lifetime warranties. So I got another hub, and it's unsealed just until I get my black sheep rims. So the black sheep rims, I'm gonna have them in black, so my bike's gonna be all mellow and just not big time colors. So what else? Guess we'll go back. I just got this Shadow Crow pivotal seat, the fatty seat. Oh my gosh, I love it. It's freaking ridiculous. Sick. Alienation Stumpy pivotal post. It's only like, it probably only goes to here. Like, it's super short. It's probably like not even 4 inches. Got my Zoomy sticker. Love Zoomies. Dance comp. My sprocket. Love the sprocket. Just got it. Actually, in one order, I got the seat, the post, the grips, the bars, the hub guard, the sprocket, the chain, and the pedals. In one order. I just got them. The pedals are the Haro recycled PC pedals. They're really nice for plastic pedals for Haro. They're cheap. They're sturdy. My buddy had them and they lasted him forever. The only thing that went wrong, he grinded a lot, and they ground the little spikes or pins out, or whatever you want to call those little things. My sprocket is the Shadow Scream chain wheel sprocket. It's really nice. It's a 28 tooth. I like a little bit bigger than a 25. 28's pretty sick. I like it a lot in black. I got the KMC 10 SL chain, I think it is. It's hollow pin. You can probably see through the pins there, actually. It's super nice. My buddy had it, and it never fell apart on him. He had it forever, so I like it a lot so far. And then we'll go to the other side. What else? The pegs. I still have stock pegs. And my back hub guard is a Shadow hub guard. I don't know what the exact model is, but it's a Shadow hub guard. It's nice and big. It's light enough for the size. I like it a lot. It works. There's nothing. Like when I take it off, there's not a scratch on my hub or my spokes. So I'll give you a little hub sound if you want. Hold on a second. All right. Not bad for a stock hub. I mean, it's not bad for a stock hub, I guess. It could do better. That's with all the grease in it. Still with all the grease in it, so I never took it out. I think that's stupid. Why not just get a new hub? So if you're broke, I guess you can do it, but it messes it up pretty quick. I wouldn't do it. So yeah, that's my bike.